Hello again. So here we are, the introduction to the Tuesday lesson, World War II Review, Allied Leaders. And you see on this first page here, one picture, there's many pictures of these guys at different times in the war. One picture of the Allied leaders, the main ones you're going to be learning about. There were others, these are the main ones you're going to be learning about. And there again are the learning targets to give you direction on what you're learning. And again, I have included, since we're not doing the synchronous meetings yet, those will be Wednesday for some of you and Friday for some of you, where you have the chance to log in. We're going to try to use an online classroom and ask questions and interact. But in the meantime, you can use those two email addresses. And this is where the video that we're making right now is going to be posted, so you can see it. And there are the directions, same as yesterday. Use the links, use the translate if you wanted to read it to you. So here's the first thing. You're going to be reading a Ducksters page, but once again, look at the questions before you go to the page. Name two of the presidents of the United States during World War II. Yeah, there were two of them. Why do you think Winston Churchill's speeches during the Battle of Britain? We've kind of been over that a little bit, but there you got the questions. Then the question about which member of the Allied powers started World War II on the side of Germany and then switched. And then name the three main countries again. So up here, it tells you can scroll to the bottom of the page on the Ducksters page, which we're about to go to, and have it read it to you. And also there's a quiz at the bottom. So let's go look at it. So there's the information, not a lot of text, not one, the same picture you've just seen. If you scroll to the bottom, right there, it'll read it to you. And there's the question, voluntary quiz you can take just to have fun. Now this, a picture you've seen, is the second source. You're going to do a see, what do you see, what do you think, and what do you wonder? And don't just look at what you see. Look at who it is, look at the expressions in their face, look to see if anybody's interacting and what that might mean. Look for all those elements of a picture, and you fill the answers in there. And this one is probably the easiest thing, kind of a reflection thing. You just put the names of the Allied countries, the names of their leaders, and you've gotten that above. A picture of them and the image of the flag of that country. And the last thing is a survey again. Again, the same surveys as yesterday. You click here, that's about what you learned today. So your name, click my name, and then what questions do you still have about the leaders of the Allied countries in World War II? I mean, you might ask a question about why did the US have two presidents? You only have one at a time during World War II. I wonder. And then this one about how you learned. So there you go. Again, any questions you have, email them.